Alright, so we're recording a voiceover because mic wasn't fucking on. Two, I didn't even know I wasn't recording. I was trying to record a whole gameplay part. But no, see, as we're starting at fucking jump rope. Pretty calm, pretty calm. Pretty calm.
Did the whole thing in 0.1 seconds, some calm shit. Remember this meth? This was okay IG, but the girl died in like 4 seconds. Motherfuckers, just pick a fucking panel.
Toy boy, boys.
Did all the math for this shit and took one for the team.
Alright, look at this fucking clutch. Yes, I'm voiceovering again because I don't know how to fucking type this shit out. Alright, so we're fighting in the room, right? We're trying to like strangle the guy in the red because we fucking hate this guy. Okay? He strangles him. I grab him back. As this is appearing, check it, snaps his entire neck and he kills him. That's what I'm talking about, bro. This game is too fucking good. Look, he's gone. I even say in chat, W clutch. Bah! Alright, we're voiceovering the Squid Game part because Alright, so you see sexy young me over here. I'm telling fight, I think, because I thought he was talking about how I got my wins. I got both of them from Rebel. Well, both of them on the